How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares, or if it's your first time, welcome to the Little Shop of Nightmares. Today I'll be working on, I'm going to call it an end grain pen. I don't know if you can, it kind of picks it up a little bit. But anyway, I trimmed a piece of walnut off here a while back. It had some pretty wild looking grain structure in the end grain of it. And so I took those and stabilized them, and I cut a couple of blanks, and I found that one. I'm not sure what I've done with the others. Well, they'll eventually turn up. But anyway, I'm going to be working on that today. I hope everybody had a big Christmas, and Santa Claus was good to all of you. And hope everybody's off to a good New Year to start with. I've been pretty busy the past few weeks. Well, the past week anyway. A friend of mine gave me a walnut tree he had cut down in his backyard, and so I've cut it up, and I've got some firewood going, and I've got a bunch of walnut blanks going. So I hope you all like black walnut, because in about 3 or 4 months we're going to have all of that. We're going to know what to do with. I've got a bunch of dogwood blanks that I need to work on too, because I don't know that I'm pretty sure I haven't made a video on those just yet, but we'll get around to it eventually. But anyway, I've got this blank cut to size, so I'll get you guys turned around, and we'll get started getting it drilled out and ready to go. Looks like we drilled pretty good. Forgot to mention, this is one of the commander pin sets. And I don't know, I'm still kind of on the fence as to whether I like them or not, but we're going to make another one. This will be the first one of them I've made with wood. Around there where I can see it. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I get it on the lathe. Alright, hell, I guess it's time to see if we can make a pen or make a mess. We'll definitely do one of the two, though. go. I don't know if we got any. It might be Humpty Dumpty right there. I don't know how many pieces it flew into. And if I can find them all. I was kind of worried about that crack in that right there, to be honest with you. Oh. Let me see if I can find all the pieces of this, and I'll bring you guys back if I can. And if I can't, I'll bring you guys back anyway. Alright. We got enough kings, horses, and men. I reckon we've got it put back together for now. We'll see what it does. It may or may not stay that way. You know how it goes around here. Yeah. Well, let's see. I don't know if this will do anything but make a darn mess, but we're going to find out. Looks like it's going to be making a mess. The meat, please. Kids, don't play with super glue. Find that later. I got the dropsies today, ain't I? Folks, I don't know that I can do any better than that. I don't know really what I was working with. I don't know that anybody can do any better than that. Well, let's get you guys moved around here, see if we can get it put together. All right, everybody, here we go. There's some imperfections in it, or that super glue and activator and everything turned white and showed up, and so it ain't perfect. And well, you know, it is what it is. You boys are dumbass. Got you guys set over there, got started, and never hit the record button, so you missed all that excitement. Which, granted, it wasn't a whole lot of excitement to be had, so it'll be all right. But anyway, if you guys have stuck around this long, thanks for your time and effort. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've liked it. If you ain't liked it, then don't. I can't tell you what to do, but if you do, I appreciate it. Any criticisms you have, let me know, or don't. But anyway, I think for end grain turning, pretty much that come out pretty nice. It could have went a lot better. Could have finished a lot better too, but it is what it is, and all we can do is learn from our mistakes, and I make enough of them that hopefully you guys learn from my mistakes. But anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.